Good morning, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today I'm going to show you a very quick video how to fit a comfort seat, a seat with a backrest, onto a electric tilting seat post. So these posts tilt forward. So first thing we're going to do is disassemble both units. So we'll keep the hardware separate. So we'll remove this seat on this side. We'll go over here. Now you want to use the hardware that came off your seat. So basically that's why we keep them separate. So the new seat goes onto here. So the first thing we need to do is you need about 3 fingers. We fit this, we slide on the other fitting, we now slide on the seat post itself. Okay, we can tip this up a little bit and we put in the second part of the fitting. So we can slide that in and wedge it over. We'll put on the end cap and we'll just tighten it up. Okay, so tighten up. A little bit on this side, a bit on this side. You want to keep it fairly even. So I won't over tighten it yet because we'll have to put it back on the bike and just judge the seat angle. So the seat is flat. If I push this lever, it'll slide forward. It's as simple as it is. Job's done, completed.